Hello from Torpesand Strand here in Värmdö. This is Beach Adventures with Kris, and I am ready for the second beach adventure for today because I didn't came this long just to have one episode today. So the second one is from Torpesand Strand. As earlier I was on those rocks around the corner over there, as the beach was a bit crowded, I would say, not that much, but as it's a Sunday and many people are off, it was filled with families. Now at almost 6 p.m, it's actually 5:50 p.m. right now, it is basically empty, very few people on the beach, and it's time for me for the second swim in the Baltic Sea, which is only 10 degrees Celsius today. It was easier when you can jump in the water. When you go in like this, it will be a lot colder, believe me. And I have been here on this beach before. It's so freezing when you go in the cold water like that. But yeah, I've been enjoying here today, not so long. I came here at around 3:30, and I have a bus to catch back at 6:30. As after that, they go a bit less from this place, as it is obviously a bit off from the central part of Stockholm. This is where the mainland of Stockholm ends, actually, on this part of the city. So we have open sea right in front of us. Yeah, so the beach is sandy with greenery all around, and there is sun until maybe 6:30 this time of the year, as I can suspect, as now some parts of the beach is actually covered in shadow, but there will be at least half an hour more. And yeah, it's a bit larger than that, and sandy portions everywhere. Yes, beach number 44 today, that is 29th of June 2025. So let's hit the waters. Now in the midday, when the sun is the brightest, the water looks amazing here. I have been to when it was like that. Now let's see how it is at this time of the day. And I know that it's super sandy as well right here, and a bit cold as well. And we have blowing wind as well to make things a bit worse, especially when it's only 10 degrees Celsius in the sea. But we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite warm indeed. And this is how the beach looks like from the water. It looks amazing indeed. And it's freezing. I won't go any further than this, as I will definitely freeze for sure. But yeah, greetings from Torpesand Strand. That was actually marked as a nudist beach on a turistbadkartan, but it is definitely not a nudist beach. I have been here a few times and I have never seen any nudists on this beach. So, ready, set, and go! Okay, it's cold. It's cold. It's 10 degrees Celsius in the sea, but it's so refreshing. And this is Swedish summer at its core, especially if you are on the sea like this. It's marvelous. Warm weather, cold sea, perfect combination for sure. Let's dive in once again because I really want to enjoy one more brain freeze. Oh, that was cold. That was cold. That was cold for sure. So yeah, with this view of Torpesand Strand in Värmdö, it is time to wrap up this episode. Yeah, I'm gonna be heading soon then to the bus station, Varmdö Naturreservat, and catch the bus towards the city and my home. But I enjoyed my short stay today, 3 hour stay in Varmdö Naturreservat, and been twice in the sea at 10 degrees Celsius. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and yeah, see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.